Yeah, the Blood, Sweat and Cheers campaign is an initiative to get fans of Cymru League teams into donation centres and donating blood, and I think it's a really worthy cause. Personally, I'm always a fan of donating. My dad did it until he got ill, so sort of followed in his footsteps, I think, and I think it's important that, as a club, we're seen to be playing our part in social messages such as this, and it's something, like I say, is close to me. Growing up, he'd always come back with a bandage around his arm, and you sort of ask, what's that? But never take too much notice, and he contracted glandular fever when I was a kid, and they didn't take his blood anymore after that, and it was always something I wanted to do, to follow in his footsteps, and I think I'm on 11 pints now, so slowly getting there. So with the rewards, it's cards and badges at different milestones, and I'm nowhere near some of the other people, but yeah, I was pretty pleased when I got my 10-pint badge. Like I say, I think it's important that we're involved in these sort of things, whether it's blood, whether it's social justice or causes. There's a bigger picture for the league to play and the clubs to play, and we'll continue to do that. Okay. So you can visit the website, you can click on your local Cymru League's team badge, and it will bring up the nearest donation centres to you across the next month.
People can donate at Barry, in Roath, and at the Culverhouse Cross, so they're all pretty local, and they're all quite accessible, so that's good. Gwaed, chwys a iechyd da.